Hey you guys, Sandy from the future. Once again, forgot to give you guys an intro and explain to you what I'm doing, but today I'm going to be cutting Maggie. So that's what you guys are going to see me jump into, is me shaving Maggie. You guys, if you've been here for a long time, you kind of know that I pre-batch a whole bunch of videos and then I forget what day it is. Sometimes I don't have an intro, so I be pre-batching for you guys, because if I don't, literally I will not have videos out consistently at all. Like, I mean at all, because it's very difficult picking up the camera sometimes. You know, life happens and you just don't want to pick up the camera. So I might be having the same things on sometimes in my videos, but literally my videos are pre-batched. But just a little insight. I'm gonna stop rambling. You guys, this is how I cut Maggie. Y'all give me compliments on Maggie's grooming all the time. I literally cut her, bathe her. Charles clips her toenails or file them down, and he clips her fingernails, and I shave her, wash her. He washes her sometimes, but the majority of the time I wash her. So this is what you guys are supposed to see, is her before and after, okay? Good afternoon, guys. You probably are going to hear the TV. Today is May 5th. Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, it is Cinco de Mayo. May 5th. Yep, Cinco de Mayo. Hey, guys. How's it going? Guess what we supposed to do? We supposed to cut Maggie. So I'm going to give y'all a good before, because you guys are like, come here. She knows she's supposed to get her butt clean. Come here, don't run off. Stay right here. Maggie.
I'm just looking for a power converter.
She knows she's literally supposed to get clean. So this is a before of her. Try to get a good before. This is what she looks like before. And then I'll show you guys an after picture of what she looks like. So I'm going to just get down here on the floor and cut her up really quick. Come here, Maggie. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. I don't know if I got a good before.
That's not the back scratcher, that's my arm.
Okay. So this is a before. So as you guys can see, that she has a lot of hair up here. So I normally shave all of this off. I shave off all of her ears and some of her beard. And then I'll kind of line up her skirt. But she has like sticks and stuff in her fur because she went outside and it's like really windy. And somebody lost her grooming bag. So we don't know where her comb is. Somebody. Don't you hate it when people say somebody and there's only two of you? It's only two of you, so you know it couldn't be you. No, seriously though. Charles lost it. I don't know where it is. Is it in the PT? In the back of the PT? Because we went on a walk with her.
No, we wouldn't take the whole bag.
I mean, did you look in the back of the PT?
Yeah, I had to put the stroller in it.
Oh. I don't remember it being in the truck, so. Oh. Man, no. Maggie. Aren't you so pretty? Good girl. A good girl. Good girl, Maggie. Yes. Good girl. A good girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Good girl. Okay, let's get a treat. Let's get a treat. You want a treat? Okay. Okay. Ooh. Hold on. Good girl. Okay, so yes, I still have this reflecting up in my room, but I wanted to show you guys what my sister-in-law Tiara sent me. She sent me this huge package of stuff. So like this cup came with like this head wrap, and I wanted to like lay it all out, but I really couldn't just lay it all out. But she got me these cozy socks. Y'all, like, when she sends care packages, I'm telling you, like, she goes overboard, and it's just the sweetest thing ever. Like, she sent these bath bombs. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Let me see. I think I got it to focus on it right now. Look at that, right now. Right now. No, what's going on? There. So she's got body scrubs that is just like, I don't even want to use them because I don't know, I just thought it was so sweet. There they go. Bath scissors. Oh my goodness. And then she got me like some mascara, like 2 little different mascara brushes. And y'all, I'm gonna try to apply this mascara on camera for y'all so that y'all can see the shenanigans that happens. This is a take off makeup remover, so lashes, lips. So I guess that's for this. Then she's got me a lip scrubber, what is this, a cleaning balm. So this is gonna help take off the makeup as well. And then this is gonna help push my hair back when I am taking off my makeup. Some little eye gummies. Hopefully this is clear for you guys. But she's got, what are these, like little sample size perfumes? I don't want to move it around too much, but it's like a whole little kit. Let me try to show y'all. Look, a whole sample kit of perfumes. Like, I am a too stoked. And then she's got me, look at all of these little eye gel little thingies. Like, I love to do face masks, y'all. So speaking of which, she got me sheet masks down here. Look at all these little sheet masks. She also got some for my husband to do with me. And then here's some foot masks. And y'all, the list just goes on and on. She's got me this robe, this pink robe, which I have hanging on the door because I used it this morning. So it was a little wet. So she's got these cute little coffee mugs, which you guys know I like to drink tea with these. Like, it's like a collection. What do you call it? Like a little holiday collection situation. And here's another little cute mug with shower gels and stuff. And these came in this cup back here. And these are lotions as well. And Jelly Bean is getting sleepy. Look, these are bath salts. Bath salts. And then she got me this NYX, a full thing of lip butter. It's butter gloss. And I'm telling you guys, I used this little pink color in the middle between the brown and that other little pink, the lighter pink, and it feels so good on the lips. And here's some more little bath bombs. You guys, when I tell you, I was so shocked at how much stuff was in this, like, this box she got me. Like, I cannot say thank you enough, like, at all. And I'm gonna really try to put this mascara on. Is that mascara? I might be calling it the wrong thing. Let me see. Yes, mascara. phone. So you guys, I have to figure out a place to put all of this stuff. And I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. And then on top of that, I got my ingredients for some of my shampoos and my conditioner bars that I've been trying to make, and I got all of the ingredients. They literally just came in the mail, so I have to put these up. And my office still looks the same because I was trying to wait until these ingredients came in to actually set up storage and the background and stuff like that. So this is what my office is looking like right now. It's not, I mean, it's just got all the stuff on the table, and I want to try to figure out how to fix all of this because I still have storage up here too. So I just need to figure out how will I arrange all of it and make it look good and functionable for this little area. So yeah.